So St. Catherine's Church, continuing on the review of what we did. Yeah, we got the manifolds, that was the last video. Then I reviewed all the documentation. There's a folder with all the electrical drawings, and we had a look at that before we started into the system. And initially the hub of the system was this Coster controller here, but the feeling is that that's suddenly not powered up, and that may not be doing anything anymore because its controlling doesn't seem to be working out there. And then the key for today was this complete mess, rat's nest of wires everywhere that there's no documentation for. So most of the time today was taken up trying to track what all this wiring is doing. And one of the worst things about it was there was a wire here from that number 3 port, which was just sitting down there on the metal floor, and what that meant is if somebody had turned that switch from 0 to A, the whole metal box would have gone live. So it was actually a complete danger, and now it's still kind of that way because nobody knows where all the wires are going. The key thing is we don't know what a lot of these cables, there's about 14 cables disappearing into the wall, and they all need to be tracked. We need to see where they're going, so that we can make sense of the wiring diagrams. We have done some wiring diagrams today, or reverse engineered some of it, like this. So we go through and follow the wires and try to put it on a diagram, and when we have a diagram like this we can make sense of it all. But we have some things like we were able to track one cable going out to the boiler, but there are another 14 there and we don't know where they're going, and we can't even find which cable here is coming from the main breaker board because there's so many live wires here. And another problem was there was live wires that are brown, live wires that are white, live wires that are black, and it's just really bad job, overcomplicated, no documentation, and reverse engineering it to a point where we can make sense of it and simplify it, and simplify it in such a way that everybody can follow it and make it easy to control the heating. There's a bit of work in that. And then after that we'd be looking at maybe fixing things if things need fixing, but first things done, get a handle on how everything is wired.